the horsey. Ride the horsey. Hey. Hey. You gonna get off the horsey? Get off the horsey. Get off the horsey.
You gotta kind of like brag me too, exactly, because I would just be like, I don't want to do that work.